So we are just going to do some nice perfect poached eggs and hash brown. Very, very common breakfast. I'll use some nice filtered water. Some lemon juice into it. You have a lot of options. You can put vinegar, you can put white wine, anything that is acidic. I'll turn the heat on low so it comes down to a poaching temperature. This pan is heating up, which I'm going to use for my hash browns. So just grating some parboiled potatoes. Okay, so now we have got nicely grated potatoes. Just take a salt and I'm going to sprinkle this right from a distance because I want the salt mixing with the entire potatoes. I don't want it concentrated in one part. So some cracked pepper like this. Just take a fork and just run it through lightly. You don't want the bits breaking totally. So just very lightly mix the potato. Let me take a dollop of butter here. This butter, I'm just mixing it to the potatoes. This will keep the potatoes moist from inside as well. Now with the help of any ring like this or any mold, what I'm going to do is just take these potatoes, put it in. Just taking a spoon, very lightly, just press it along the sides. If you press it too hard, all the texture that we have created by grating the potatoes, it will all crumble together. Butter. And I'm just putting some oil through to prevent the butter from burning. Now just let's take this roasty potatoes hash browns and put it in. That's my another hash brown, very lightly goes in. So on a low heat, let it cook. I'm shifting my attention now to the poached egg. You can see there are very little bubbles coming into this water, which means it is right for poaching. Some salt into this. Now take the egg. So now I'm just going to dip these two fingers in and very, very slowly that's it. Poach for around between 3 and 4 minutes if you want an exact perfect poached egg where the egg white is cooked but the yolks are still fairly runny. That's how perfect poached eggs are. So my hash browns are now nice and crisped up and they are ready. Let me take them out. Nicely done. I'm just taking some brown bread and cutting it with the same ring that I made the hash browns with and back into this pan to crisp up slightly. Along with that, tomato cut into half, some salt and once again some cracked pepper. So when the bread is crisped up, that will go in the plate. Here, butter in this pan once again, and then with tomatoes just on one side. You can see as the eggs start poaching, they start rising on top, which is an indication that they are done. So now very carefully with the help of a slotted spoon, let me put this egg here. Once again, some salt and some cracked pepper. And while they're still nice and steaming, this goes in here and this one goes in here. Added some nice grilled tomato, sprig of parsley. Very easy, a perfect combination for a breakfast, a start to a very perfect active day.